The beauty about what we're now being able to do is blurring the lines between what is real and what is unreal. Whether viewers sitting at home really don't know what that thin line is. There's a lot that is fully reality, and a lot that is in that thin line. And I think what you're doing with Edge is quite interesting to be able to solve that gap, because what's happening really is that all of these different industries are slowly coming together. What we've seen with virtual production in news and now in films, what we're seeing with animation, and what Unreal is being able to do for sport and films as well. A lot of these industries are now coming together in terms of how these stories are being told. And between hardware, software, and capital, I think what you will be able to solve is really the part of community and the content. And I think that is really where, with the advent of now what is going to be the metaverse, which there's a lot of skepticism around, but is definitely a reality and something that is going to definitely happen. I think what you're building is really the bedrock of all of that content that gets created in this new universe that is essentially being built. And all of that is going to be essentially 3D and virtual content. So, I think it's a really exciting time for you to launch a program like this. What we're able to do in sport and how we can see Web3 and NFTs and all of this coming into the sports world is very exciting. So, we would love to see how we can find more ways to be able to interact and get ways to bring a lot of this talent into sport.